American shipbuilder Metal Shark is gaining significant market share in the domestic fireboat market. While the Alabama and Louisiana-based defense contractor is one of the nation's largest producers of patrol boats for the U.S. Navy and Coast Guard, the company has successfully diversified with the production of custom craft ranging from pilot boats to passenger ferries. Now, with an influx of funds from federal port security grants and increased state spending, fire departments are ready to upgrade their fireboats. Metal Shark and its 500-plus U.S. workers are busy as a result. In April, Metal Shark announced that it had been selected to build the next generation of fireboats for the Miami-Dade Fire Rescue Department in Florida with a multi-boat order for 50-foot pilothouse fireboats. Now, Metal Shark has announced 15 new fireboat customers from across the country, with models ranging in size from small 23 and 24-foot center consoles all the way up to a 70-foot pilothouse fireboat being built for Canaveral Fire Rescue. The company attributes its growth in the sector to its modern fireboat designs engineered in-house and the integration of advanced firefighting systems which, it says, allow firefighters to respond to emergencies more safely and efficiently. If the list of new Metal Shark Fire Department customers is any indication, the popularity of these boats is spreading like wildfire.